In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple data sources to Looker Studio using Windsor.ai, all in about 5 minutes. Let's dive straight into it and make this process as seamless as possible for you. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Go ahead and search for Windsor.ai. This platform is essential for seamlessly integrating various data sources into Looker Studio. Once you've located Windsor.ai, click to access the site. Now that you're on the home page, it's time to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If not, take a moment to create an account following their straightforward registration process. Logging in will give you the ability to manage and connect different data sources effortlessly. With access secured, the next step is to choose the data source you want to connect. Windsor.ai supports a variety of popular platforms, so whether it's Facebook ads, Google Analytics 4, or any other supported service, select the one you wish to integrate. This allows Windsor.ai to prepare the detailed data metrics you'll need. Once you've selected your desired data source, you'll need to grant access and authenticate your accounts. This is a crucial step to ensure that Windsor.ai can pull the correct data. Follow the on-screen instructions to input the necessary authentication details, thereby linking your chosen platform securely. Now here's a pro tip. For every additional data source you plan to use in your Looker Studio report, repeat the previous step of selecting and authenticating. Doing this for each individual data source ensures you get comprehensive, organized data in one place. After you've connected all necessary data sources, transition to your Looker Studio account. Open an existing report, or, if you're starting from scratch, create a new one. This is where your pre-configured data will come to life. Within Looker Studio, look for the option to Add a Data Source. Alternatively, navigate to the Resource menu and select Manage Added Data Sources. This step is where you'll set the groundwork for embedding your Windsor.ai data. Next, search for and select the Windsor.ai connector. It's crucial to properly authorize this connector, so follow the on-screen prompts to connect it using your Windsor.ai credentials. This ensures that all the efforts you've put into selecting and authenticating sources on Windsor.ai are now transferable to Looker Studio. Finally, once the Windsor.ai connector is authorized, choose the accounts you connected earlier. This step will load the corresponding fields and data into Looker Studio, readying it for analytical or reporting purposes. Now, with everything connected, the Windsor.ai connector will display all the data sources you've meticulously set up, allowing you to leverage them fully. And there you have it, a seamless method to add multiple data sources using Windsor.ai within Looker Studio. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.